Hey there YouTube, it's Ryan from Ryan Welton Music, and today's piano tutorial is a great one. PYT from Michael Jackson, 1983. You're definitely gonna want to stick around. So PYT was the fifth of the sixth single from Thriller, I forget which, one of the greatest selling albums of all time produced by the great Quincy Jones. PYT was also one of the last singles included on the album, or one of the last songs, I should say. It's pretty easy to get around. It starts off in B minor. There's a lot of G major seventh in this, and a lot of E minor to F sharp minor, a little bit of A, a little bit of B, a lot of funky chords. You're going to use a B13th in here. Let's just get started real easy. First thing I always do is listen to the bass line, and then that helps me pick up on the chords, mostly from experience. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so forgive the out-of-tune piano here. What we're going to have here is an intro that's like... all in B minor, variations of, all right? So we got A to E minor. I like to do this. We go into the verse. The verse is all about the bass walk up. What is that? That is B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, back to B. All right, now you're not always going to play that perfectly because you're going to have to play with your right hand too. Something like this. And then for the pre-chorus, you're going to stay in G major 7th. So what are we doing there? We have a G major 7th, and then essentially an E on top of an F sharp, A on top of a B. Really, those are variations of B minor 9th. A C on top of a D. B13th. This is a chord you should have in your back pocket. Look how it's structured. A, B, E flat, E, G, B. All right, so let's put this all together. G major 7th, make it funky. Okay, so and then the chorus is going to take you into E minor, F sharp minor, and G major. Let's do it real slowly. All right, look at this. G on top of an E. That is just E minor 7th. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. E minor 7th. F sharp minor 7th, G major 7th. That's the little riff that you hear up high. It's usually played higher. You can play it wherever. like this. To sort of mimic that you hear in the song. The turnaround to get to the second verse, they take it a step down. They go from this B 13th to an A 13th. All right? That's essentially a G major 7th on top of an A. So even though you're starting out up here, really you're focused on right here. E minor 7th, F sharp minor 7th to G major 7th. You know that riff. And you can go, oh, anytime you want. What are the notes? F sharp, G, G sharp, A. And I'm just using that same variation on A 13th or A bazillionth, whatever that is. Just look at the notes I'm playing. G, A, B, D, F sharp, A. Look how good that sounds. So, the foursome, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, and then we have G sharp, A sharp, B. That's that guitar riff that you hear in the song. Or it may be... And this part is where Michael Jackson goes into that call and response of Pretty Young Things Repeat After Me. The chords that I play to get there are... Alright, so just look at this for a second. It's an A on top of a B. Alright, that's essentially an E with an A and a B that I'm playing right there. An E on top of an A. I don't know how to explain it. Just watch how I'm doing this. A on top of a B. Something like that. All right, so let's talk about this bridge again. You got those notes? Oh. You go back into the E minor 7th, F sharp minor 7th, G major repetition until you get to the last part where you're going. so let's put it all together, if we will, okay? You start at the beginning, you're all in B minor ninth. Walk up. Anyway, you get the drift of it right there. I appreciate you watching, and if you enjoyed this, please smash the like button, hit the subscribe button.